remaking Hurricane Irma. Next video, remaking Hurricane Maria.
Speaking of together, there is something that has come together that is absolutely remarkable. Crocs and KFC. Crocs that are printed like a bucket of chicken that have a little chicken leg you can stick on top to make your Crocs smell like fried chicken.
Literally
amazing.
Smell like fried chicken. I'm like, okay, I'm not a fan of Crocs anyway. And now Crocs that look like these look and that smell like chicken, you got to see them. In fact, you can chime in whether you think yay or nay on these. Scott thinks they're great. I'm like, nope. Scott and Kelly Facebook page, you can check it out. I just don't get it. I'm not alone. Ginger says Frito feet comes to mind. Ew, and she has this little barfy face. Like, it just doesn't sound good. I do enjoy Len, and his sense of humor says, no thank you. I put my foot in my mouth enough already.
At least it tastes good when you do it, Len.
Wow.
I've actually owned a pair for 15 years.
Wow. See?
They just broke.
They just broke. Well, maybe it's time for you to get chicken-scented ones.
It's a wonderful idea.
No, thanks.
Why? Think about what a fashion statement it is to wear a bucket of chicken on your feet.
I don't want my feet smelling like chicken.
Okay, thank you. Isn't that weird? And especially, I mean, let's be honest. It's summer. It's 1,000 degrees outside. Your feet are already kind of sweaty and smelly anyway. Do you really want to add the smell of chicken to the mix? It's like, okay, I'm going to be kind of
The way
graphic.
some people's feet smell, I would rather they smell like fried
I don't
chicken.
know. I'm going to be a little graphic here, but you know when you go into
Yeah, we had to
share a
stop
bathroom,
gas.
and somebody has
Justin
just
pumped
used the
gas for
bathroom, and
me.
they thought to